Challenges that we see achieving the goals, number one is to increase the productivity per animal, per species of any species that is involved in the livestock industry. Number two is value addition and post-harvest losses reduction. And number three is access to market.
Feed the Future or Wihaze activity is an activity funded by USAID Rwanda, and it has a focus on increasing access, availability and consumption of animal source foods. This is an activity that has been running since 2019. We aim to understand the specific constraints that producers and other market actors face in order to achieve what we call maximum productivity. We are talking about veterinary services, we are talking about extension messaging, and we're also talking about inputs. And that takes us to a selection of a range of partners. In this case, we have the Rwanda Council of Veterinary Doctors to support extension messaging. We also have different partners like Zipline, who are largely supporting the delivery of artificial insemination. We have OX that has established mainly in the rural districts of Nyamasheke, Rutsiro, Ngororero and Nyamagabe.
Concerning the pig genetic improvement, over the past 5 years, before 5 years, we had a problem of inbreeding and the issue of finding good genetic material to disseminate.
Aborozi babanguriraga ku ngurube zihuje amaraso zikabwagura yenda ibibwana 4-6 noneho bya bibwana byavutse ntibikure neza kubera zavutse zihuje amaraso urumva umusaruro ntawo.
Iyo twabanguriraga ingurube twajya gushakisha aho twabona nk'isekurume yaba ari mbi yabigayitse icyo wapfaga nuko ari sekurume yaza yabyara ubwana wese ubwana bwabaye bwa nyirakabwana kumbi biraturuka kuri se itameze neza.
Field inseminators needed to go to the breeding centers, purchase semen, take a taxi, for example, or a bus.
Transporting the semen on motorbikes, relying on public transport to reach destination. For such fragile and sensitive products, there would be multiple failures in the insemination process. For example, a farmer in Nyamasheke will spend over 3 hours to reach to a breeding center for semen.
All of that involves challenges between one bus to another, delays and so forth, and eventually it arrives at a higher cost.
That made us also think about the deployment of drones. Through the partnership of Zipline has with the government of Rwanda, a farmer can only order a certain breed that they want, and we coordinate through our systems, and then through Zipline, a farmer is able to get the semen they want and then get their animals inseminated.
Twari tuzi ko bidashoboka. Aba ngo drone ngo yakuvana intanga I Kigali cyangwa Muhanga ikayikuzanira kuri ahoroye abana bidashoboka.
While Zipline has expertise in logistical delivery of medical products, I've ventured also into animal health. Orora Wihaze has brought in expertise in working with farmers. So coupling those two makes a very good marriage. The drone delivery in minutes, 20 to 40 minutes to destination, completely revolutionized the whole process of a pig AI process.
Ubwo rero umworozi yagize ingurube yarinze icyo twakora twebwe mu veterinary tutanga commande kuri lab aho batunganya intanga. Nk'ubwo uyu munsi nayitanze 2:30 barambwira ngo 3:35 ubu uri kuri centre de santé gufata intanga. Pe barabyubahiriza.
We have a selection of genetics from the different breeding centers, especially from the Rwanda Agriculture and Animal Resources Board.
Ubwoko bwiza butanga umusaruro tuba tubuzi, umworozi wamugezeho wabonye ingeri ye.
Niba nishaka droke niyo banyohereza, niba shaka rage white niyo banyohereza, niba shaka pietra niyo banyohereza. Babiterwa n'iki? N'icyororo ndimo shaka gutubura.
Iyo wateje intanga ukateza intanga ingurube ugeze igihe neza wabibaza neza, ingurube ntishobora kubyara ibyana b'iminsi y'icumi.
Twari dufite ikibazo gikomeye cyane ku bijyanye na transport. Twashakaga kurangura nk'i Kigali ibintu ariko bikahahera bikamara iminsi 3-4, hakabaho igihe babikuzanira byananyagiwe bikahita biguteza igihombo.
We have introduced a last mile distribution model where animal feed from Kigali is delivered to various rural districts through a network of agro-dealers.
Wihaze is looking into increasing the production from the small livestock. Since they are focusing on that, and we are a logistics and transport company, then we brought our effort together so that we can focus on distribution of the animal feed to the rural area. If the farmers order to the agro-dealers are also able to place the orders to Ox Rwanda, then Ox Rwanda can also place the orders from the factory.
Bahamagara kuri telefone cyangwa nkabandikira kuri message no kuri WhatsApp, nuko umurangiraho umuzigo wawe uri umwongera kuvugana yawukugejejeho.
We are using electric vehicles, which means we have a flexibility of not changing the price as the fuel is changing.
Ibintu babitugereza hano ku giciro gitoya n'abakiriya bacu natwe tubagabanirizaho kubera aho gisintuma nayo iba yatugabanirijeho.
Amahugurwa mpa aborozi b'amatungo mbakangurira cyane korora amatungo magufi, bayagirira isuku kandi bayagaburira indyo yuzuye. Wasangaga umworozi yarubatse ikiraro yororeyemo ingurube, ibishingwa atabikundura, mbese akorera mu mwanda gusa.
Wihaze yatwigishije kwivangira, ukamenya ngo ibi biryo ibi bivanze gutya bibyara ibiryo byiza bimeze gutya. Wivanze ugakora melange ukurikije quantité baduhaye, ingurube ukazigaburira ibyimbuyire.
Mu borozi nahuguye hari n'ugurisha ingurube 200,000, ukabona iterambere ririyongera kandi ririhuta mu cyaro.
We are putting producers at the center of the business models, so it means eventually they are able to access more efficiently, swiftly whenever they order. They also know where to go to, because what we said we all desire to achieve is improving productivity. Might mean, more frequent births on the farm, faster growth for chickens, for pigs, all of that together leads to increasing incomes at the farm level, increasing nutrition at the community level.
Nashoboye kubona minerval mu buryo bworoheje, ifumbire iva muri izi ngurube iragendeka mu mirima hepfa imboga zirimo, mbona ayo nguru umuriro abana bakarama amashanyarazi.
We are embarking in a Vision 2050, which aspires to Rwanda being an upper income country. The prediction actually tells us that we have to multiply 13 times the current production levels. That requires us, both agriculture and livestock, to figure out how we are going to create a highly performing livestock industry.
Going forward, we are looking for scaling partners, those who can buy into the models, and we'll be running a series of learning events, dissemination events that allow them to learn from our models and therefore be able to scale them more intelligently, if you like. So we invite everyone to come and learn, and with that, take the activities to the next level.